Happy holidays. Glad you are here. It is officially cold, gray, rainy weather. The days have gotten longer and it's a bit dark and cold out. It's good times to cozy up by a fire if you've got it. This time of year is, I know, gray and cold, but I've always loved it. It's always brought a lot of joy, and one of the reasons for that joy is hot chocolate. Love hot chocolate. This time of year, I usually drink it like every day. It's very bad for me, but who cares? I'm an adult. I get to make my own decisions. So this hot chocolate is very easy to make, and it's really good. It's delicious. It's warming. To make this cocoa, I use 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and I mix those together in the bottom of a mug with a little bit of milk to make a really thick slurry. And I add a little bit more milk, keep mixing a little bit more milk until I get up to 8 ounces of milk. I microwave that for 30 seconds, mix it again, another 30 seconds, mix, and another 30 seconds. From there, I add a pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla. And then if you're like me and you're over 21, you add a little bit of cognac, and it's real nice. If you're making this for more than one person, you can do all this on the stove in a pot. What I recommend there is still make the slurry. Just get your milk hot and add the slurry to it. You can double the recipe, triple it, anything you need from there. But it's easy to make a lot of this and make it smooth and nice. It's perfect. It's hot, it's delicious, it's warming. Ah! It's so good. Literally so good. It's creamy, it's chocolatey, the salt is good in there. The vanilla is nice and kind of warming, and the whole thing, especially with cognac, is very warming. The cognac, I think, is better than, I've tried whiskey, bourbon. Things like that are a little too harsh almost. The cognac is nice and very smooth. You don't get any of the burn afterwards. It sort of adds its own like apple-y, vanilla-y notes that are really delicious in hot cocoa. I think you should try this. I think everybody should drink more hot chocolate this season. It's a good year to do a little bit more of the little things that make you happy. So this is just one of those things. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays.